Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. This process empowers you to address issues with financial products and services. The CFPB acts as a mediator, helping consumers and companies resolve disputes. It is a straightforward way to seek resolution for problems you might encounter with various financial institutions. We will guide you through each step to ensure your complaint is effectively submitted. Before you begin, gather all relevant information. You will need the company's name and contact details, along with the specific financial product or service involved. Clearly describe your issue, including important dates and any monetary amounts. Supporting documents, such as account statements, emails, or letters, are crucial. Finally, articulate what resolution you are seeking. This helps the CFPB understand your desired outcome. To submit your complaint, visit the official CFPB website. Navigate to the Submit a Complaint section. You will select the financial product category that best fits your issue, such as a mortgage or credit card. Carefully fill out the online form, providing all the details you gathered. Take your time to ensure accuracy and completeness. Before finalizing, review everything one last time to prevent errors. Once submitted, the CFPB forwards your complaint to the company for a response. Companies are generally expected to respond within 15 calendar days, providing an initial reply. You can conveniently track the status of your complaint online through the CFPB portal. The Bureau also publishes anonymized complaint data, contributing to greater transparency in the financial marketplace. This process aims to facilitate a fair resolution for your financial concern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.